Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to add custom domain in Infinity Free. First, go to infinityfree.net and sign up or log in. Click Accounts and select your hosting account. On your dashboard, click Domains, then add custom domain. Enter your custom domain, choose a directory, and click Verify Domain. You'll see Infinity Free's name servers. Go to your domain provider, open DNS settings, and replace their default name servers with the ones from Infinity Free. Save changes and confirm. Wait up to 24 hours for propagation. Go back to Infinity Free and click Add Domain once verified. And that's it. That's how to add custom domain in Infinity Free. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.